Welcome to Textile Technology channel. Melt spinning process, step by step. Melting. Polymer chips are melted into a viscous liquid by heating them in an extruder or barrel. Extrusion. The molten polymer is pumped through a spinneret, a die with tiny holes, which forms the polymer into continuous filaments. Cooling. The filaments are rapidly cooled, typically by a quench duct with cold air, to solidify them. Drawing. The solidified filaments are stretched to a greater length. This process aligns the polymer chains, making the fibers stronger and more oriented. Winding. The finished fibers are collected and wound onto a spool or bobbin. Thanks for watch. Don't forget to subscribe.